Hello friend, welcome back. In your previous video, I already discussed about that things with you, how can display your all that comments of this post. And here you can see that is all that comments is now visible on here. So they have the one things. Like if you go to this post, like I just copy it and now go to the admin, and in our admin that is our post. And into this post area, if you search with this post like here, so that is actually the post, and here you can see there is an option for the comments. So now if you click on the comments, and here I also assign one of the status, like 0 for the unpublished and 1 for the published. So here I assign some of the status. If you go to the our database, and here database, there is a table as a comments table, and into the comments table here you can see I just added one of the field as a status, and when this will be the 0, then that means it should be not visible in our page. Okay, like means here you can see here right now display all the post on particular that position. So here they have some of the option as a published or unpublished. Like right now I just make that post as an unpublished. So now this status is now become updated. Like if you refresh it again, like I just refresh it, now here you can see this comments status become updated. Now it's actually 0. So I want to add some of the conditions. Only one status value comments will be visible in our particular that position, and the 0 will be not visible on here. So how can do that work? For doing this, we have to go to our details page, and in particular that position, that is the reader comments. So I hope you can well understand about it, what exactly the things I want to do. So here if you go to the details page, and in our details there is a font, and there is a details plate.php, and here there is a reader comment. So before I already added the for each, and here I get all that our comments and display that things on particular that area. So right now I want to add some of the conditions. Like here I want to add one of the if condition, like as the if, and here I just put one of the conditions like when this comment, that means this comment, okay, when this comment will be equal 1, then it should be visible rather than it should be not visible. Okay, and now I have to finish that if condition. So here I just finish it like as the at the rate and if. Okay, so now they have some of the spaces. I just put the things on here. So here I just put one of the if condition as a comments equal 1. That means that when this status field. So here I have to assign that our field name. I have to assign our field name as status. Okay. So here I just put that status field, like when this status value will be the 1, then it should be visible. Okay, rather than it should be not visible. So here I just define our field name. So in our database, so that is the field name. I just put that status value should be the 1. So when it should be the 1, then it should be visible on particular that area. So here I just put that condition. So that is actually our condition. And now if you click on the save all, like I just click on the save all, and now if you refresh that page, and here you can see now it's now visible only the two posts. Because of all here I just make that things as a unpublished. Like here I also want to make that these comments as a unpublished. So now you can see now its comments status changed successfully. They have only one comment should be visible. Like here I just refresh it, and here you can see it's now gone. Only one comments is now visible on particular that position. Okay, I hope you can well understand about it. And now I want to add some of the comments from this area. Like here I only want to take the name and the comments. So this portion from here I want to add some of the comments. So these comments will be actually first of all comes here as a 0 status, and then if you want to publish it, after that publish, then it should be visible on particular that area. Okay, so how can do that work? For doing this, first of all, there is our add a comment. So here if you go to that position, so you can see that is actually the add a comment. So right now I remove that email field. I only want to take that name and the comment field. So I will continue this process, and in our next video I will show you how can create the form on particular that area, and how can add your comments from to this form. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.